Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected viewers, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am going to tell you a story about Bibi Fatima Salamallahu alayha and her son Imam Hassan alayhi salam. One day, Bibi Fatima was putting her sons to sleep, Imam Hassan and Imam Hussein. Imam Hassan knew that her mom was praying all night and he had so many questions. He couldn't fall asleep. After rolling and tossing for a while, he decided to get up and see what her mother was doing. He saw his mother do wudu first, then put on some perfume, and then roll her prayer mat. She took out her special tasbih and started to pray. She was praying for Imam Hassan's friends and neighbors. Then she looked at Imam Hassan, and Imam Hassan said, "Mama, you've been praying for my friends and my neighbors." Mother replied, "Yes, I did." Imam Hassan asked, "Why don't you pray for us?" Because she said, "Ya abnaya ajaras sumadar," which means, "Oh my son, pray for your neighbors first and then your household." From this story, I've learned to pray for others first and then our household. At the end of the video, I would like to pray for Imam Mahdi alayhi salam, our parents, the scholars and teachers, the elders, the poor, and myself. Oh Allah, please give them long life and health. Salawat.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Thank you so much for watching, and Assalamu alaikum fi amanillah.